The CN Tower in Toronto, Canada, stands as one of the world's most recognizable landmarks, and was the world's tallest freestanding structure for over 3 decades. Its history begins with a practical problem facing Toronto in the late 1960s, when the city's building boom created numerous skyscrapers that began interfering with television and radio transmission signals. The Canadian National Railway, CN, which owned significant downtown real estate, recognized an opportunity to solve this communications crisis while creating a landmark structure. In 1968, CN began planning a massive telecommunications tower that would rise above all buildings and serve as a central transmission point for the city's broadcast stations. What started as a functional solution evolved into an ambitious project symbolizing Canadian engineering excellence, with the final design created by architect John Andrews and structural engineers at WZMH Architects, featuring a distinctive Y-shaped floor plan chosen for structural efficiency and wind resistance. Construction officially began on February 6, 1973, and represented a remarkable engineering feat that pushed contemporary construction boundaries. The foundation required excavating 15 meters deep and pouring a massive Y-shaped concrete base, with 62 tons of steel reinforcement and 5,000 cubic meters of concrete to anchor the enormous structure. The main shaft was built using revolutionary slip-form technique, where concrete was poured continuously as wooden forms gradually rose, with construction proceeding 24 hours daily, 5 days weekly. Workers labored in challenging conditions at extreme heights exposed to wind and weather, with the concrete tower rising approximately 6 meters per day. The construction required 40,524 cubic meters of concrete and 5,000 tons of steel, with materials lifted by large cranes that were themselves raised as the tower grew taller. One of the construction's most dramatic moments came on March 1974, when a Sikorsky helicopter placed the final piece of the antenna atop the structure in 36 carefully choreographed flights, with each section lifted into place and bolted together at dizzying heights. The tower officially opened to the public on June 26, 1976, with the completed structure reaching 553.3 meters, 1,815 feet, tall, making it the world's tallest freestanding structure, surpassing Moscow's Ostankino Tower. The tower's design incorporated multiple observation levels and functional spaces that would become major tourist attractions. The main pod, located at 346 meters, houses the lookout observation deck, offering 360-degree views extending up to 160 kilometers on clear days, along with a glass floor installed in 1990 that allows visitors to look straight down to the ground below. Initially terrifying but now one of the tower's most popular features. Above this, at 351 meters, sits the 360 Restaurant, a revolving dining establishment that completes a full rotation every 72 minutes, allowing diners to enjoy panoramic views while eating. Higher still, at 447 meters, is the Skypod, the world's highest observation deck at the time of construction, accessible by a second elevator and offering even more spectacular views. The tower's antenna serves its original purpose by broadcasting signals for numerous television and radio stations, FM radio stations, and emergency services communications. The structure was designed to withstand extreme weather, including lightning strikes, which occur approximately 75 times annually, with the tower acting as a giant lightning rod safely conducting electricity to ground. The CN Tower quickly became Toronto's defining symbol and Canada's most visited attraction, drawing approximately 2 million visitors annually from around the world. It held the record as the world's tallest freestanding structure for 32 years until 2007, when Dubai's Burj Khalifa surpassed it. Though it remains the tallest freestanding structure in the Western Hemisphere, the tower has hosted numerous daredevil stunts and events over the decades, including the Edgewalk experience introduced in 2011, where harness participants walk around the tower's exterior at 356 meters height. Various individuals have climbed the tower's 1,776 steps for charity events, with the annual climb attracting thousands of participants, raising funds for various causes. The tower has been illuminated in different colors for special occasions, national holidays, and awareness campaigns, becoming an expressive canvas for the city's celebrations and solidarity. Throughout its history, the CN Tower has undergone various renovations and technological upgrades to maintain its appeal and functionality. The glass floor was expanded in 2008, and in 2011 the structure was designated one of the 7 wonders of the modern world by the American Society of Civil Engineers. In 1995, The tower became property of Canada Lands Company after CN divested its real estate holdings, ensuring its preservation as a national landmark. The tower has appeared in countless films, television shows, and photographs, becoming synonymous with Toronto's skyline and Canadian identity. It has survived extreme weather events including an earthquake in 2010 and various severe storms, testament to its robust engineering.